Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a must-have for anyone in the massage therapy or beauty industry, the Master Massage 30-inch Montour LX portable massage table. Whether you're a professional massage therapist or a student looking for your first portable spa bed, this could be a game changer for your practice. Let's see how it holds up in a real-world test. This foldable beauty bed has been designed with both comfort and durability in mind. It's lightweight, coming in at just 34 pounds, making it easy to transport, but it also boasts strong construction that can handle up to 650 pounds of weight. And with dimensions of 30 inches wide by 84 inches long, including a headrest, it's built to fit most spaces and clients comfortably. Now let's break down what makes this table stand out. The top layer features 3-inch thick multi-layer small cell foam with memory foam integrated for added comfort. This design gives you a cushioned surface that's 26% more spacious than other standard folding tables, which is a huge plus for anyone who wants to ensure a more comfortable experience for clients. The PU upholstery is oil and water resistant, so it's easy to clean after each use. Plus, it's CFC-free, which is a nice touch if you're mindful of eco-friendliness. One of the biggest selling points of this table is its stability, with duoplane hinges and clevis black leg attachments. The Montour LX provides incredible stability during use, ensuring that your client stays safe and comfortable. Even with the additional strength provided by the Reiki end panels, you don't need to worry about the table shifting or wobbling mid-session. When it comes to usability, I found setting up the table a breeze. The quick-set leg knobs and auto-lock leg system make assembly quick and straightforward. For a busy professional, this is an absolute time saver. Now let's talk about how the table performs. I've tested it out in several scenarios, from long massage sessions to quick beauty treatments, and I can honestly say this table is both practical and comfortable. The ergonomic Dream adjustable face cradle and memory foam face cushion provided excellent support for clients, especially during extended treatments. The Comfort half-round bolster also adds an extra layer of support, which is great for ensuring your clients stay comfortable throughout. On the flip side, while the table is designed for stability, it's still relatively lightweight, so it's easy to maneuver and transport. The 4-pocket carrying case included in the package is also a nice touch, making storage and travel hassle-free. However, for all its great features, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. While the table is very stable, it's still not quite as heavy-duty as some other professional options on the market, especially if you need a table that's meant to withstand heavy daily use in a high-traffic spa or clinic. But for most smaller, mobile practitioners, it should serve you well. Is it worth the price? Given the build quality, the included accessories like the adjustable face cradle and bolster, and the 5-year warranty on the upholstery, this table seems like a solid investment. But if you're on a tighter budget, there are more affordable options that still offer decent functionality, though they may not have all the features like memory foam or the ergonomic accessories. If you're looking for alternatives, tables like the Earthlight Avalon or Sierra Comfort All-Inclusive are options that offer similar features at a slightly lower price point, but they don't include the same level of cushioning or stability. Overall, I'd say the Master Massage 30-inch Montour LX portable massage table is a fantastic option for anyone in need of a reliable, comfortable, and easy-to-transport massage table. It has a great combination of features, including comfort, ease of use, and stability, making it a perfect fit for mobile therapists or those who want a higher-end portable option. If this review helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you can stay up to date on all our latest reviews. Your support helps us continue bringing you honest, in-depth reviews on the best beauty products. Thank you for watching. If you've used this table before, I'd love to hear about your experience. Drop a comment below and let's chat about it. As always, thanks for tuning in. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.